code. So what exactly does that mean by infrastructure as code? So it is basically a practice of defining and managing infrastructure using code and software development techniques. So what does that mean? It basically means like you can create and build or provision your infrastructure also same like your software application by writing your code, right? So with ISE, infrastructure can be treated as code, allowed it to be versioned, tested, and deployed like any other software application. So what is the benefit of that? So here are some benefit of using ISE. So just like consistency and reproducibility. What does that mean? So it basically mean like let's say you want to create some infrastructure. Let's say you want to create some AWS EC2 instance or a virtual machine. So whenever you are creating, so let's say this is your instance you are creating, you will have some configuration for this specific instance, right? So you will define some configurations on for this instance. Let's say it is a EC2 instance you have deployed on AWS and you have defined some configurations, right? So these configurations you have defined for this instance. Let's say after that this instance is stopped or deleted or corrupted or something, and now you have to create another instance with the same configuration that you did. So you have to again create all the configurations or manage all the configurations that you have done in this EC2 instance, right? So but if you use ISE, so what you need to do is you can add your whole configurations inside your ISE file, your configuration file. So it basically provides a declarative way to create your infrastructure or provision your infrastructure. So you can write your code here, and in your code you can define what are your configurations, what are your requirements you want in your infrastructure. And let's say you have deployed your EC2 instance using ISE. Let's say it is corrupted, you can again run this ISE file, this configuration file, and you can again deploy the another EC2 instance or another infrastructure with the same configuration you did in the last one. Another benefit is scalability. So ISE enables infrastructure to be quickly and easily scaled up or down, so as needed. So this is especially important in cloud environments where infrastructure resources can be provisioned on demand and then deprovisioned when they are no longer needed, right? And another benefit is version control. So with ISE, infrastructure code can be stored in version control system, just like you can store in GitHub, and you can control your versioning of your infrastructure as code in your Git repository, right? So this helps you to ensure that changes are tracked and documented, which can be especially important in regulated industries and when managing complex systems. So another benefit is faster deployment. So ISE enables infrastructure to be deployed quickly and easily, which can help you to accelerate your software delivery and reduce time to market. So another benefit is, and very important benefit is automation. With ISE, you can automate your provisioning of your infrastructure. So it becomes possible to automate many aspects of infrastructure management using ISE, which can help you to reduce the workload on operation teams and improve the efficiency. So also this can help to reduce the likelihood of human error, which can be a common cause of outages and downtime. Let's say some human is creating some two instances and again with the configuration, so there can be a human error. But once you have already defined all your configurations inside this configuration file, then you don't need to again and again writing the same configuration, you just need to run it. So there is no longer chances to be any human error. So thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you found the content valuable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.